Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from Dreambaby. Today we're taking a look at a great way to keep your child safer around sliding glass doors and windows in your home. Let's take a look. Dreambaby's sliding door and window locks safely limit openings from curious children while still allowing for a fresh airflow. They are transparent and suitable for glass and most other surfaces. Being adhesive, they are especially great for renters. To open, simply pull the pin to release the lock and then open the door. Most importantly, they limit curious children from opening sliding glass doors and windows all the way, keeping your children safer and putting your mind at ease.